جنازة هو أبو جنازة أحمد هو سلام جنازة سلام هو محمد هاي هو تمام أبو الجنازة جالة هارون السيد والي ولاية جنغولي ممثل رئيس الجمهورية والقائد العام لقوات دفاع شعب جنوب السودان. الخارج طيب لا أصبحتين بطيان مرجع سلام جنازة. سلام. ها. أبداً. ها. تمام. طابور جنازة يصادر الإسراف السيد والي ولاية جنغلي ممثل رئيس الجمهورية والقائد العام لقوات دفاع شعب جنوب السودان. جنبان. ها.
tera kuma jal ben chien rin gai chukr so ben ida ra ane bimi tik chien pir de etiang nge ekul kutem kilo gawal eri we cha thiep ka che kan yul tutuk waya pir ka wat ne toy ye ngabu kor kun che yin bandit iman ya wa ka pet ni karai ko nyali bandi la je gare bandi nor yarban dulu la je ku koy pi warit ben way yin tok la coy da tawater yin bandit ini ka yu ke moñ wa piot aya ka ñi lu yiku ka kay da piaw yan ya ni longda ke ya wa pol bandi la je gare dulu la je ku koy piaw dulu ya pia da ri da ter ben way chok luy way li chin di kita dan da to it ni to la coy da to amin
ayen nyali bandi ni chuku bale ajuan chaloi china undu china nyai ni tia ni pinno ti chaloi de chaloi yen gobe na kan ku yinin bandi belo ne tiomi kichatie yin bandi bu kwande benyin na de yen eran ti luoi ke dia ti pinno ke pan di Sudan chaloi kau ku ni sini bandi kan
dong mungkin kau kenyala ini kalau ngeben ke culoi so aku mah berjalan ya kena luai deh
Enak ya Hakim Dar ضرب.
Don kerja. Bukan Deng amoy, bukan. Don gada ada. Amoy mana? Bukan diri di balik mas bukan.
Ada profesora.
Bukan mana ya mana? Sila bitaw kajar man.
Apa betul boleh. Mana aku? Yang juga kayak.
Kalau mah dicet dang di. Pergi yang benci. Hakim Dar.
Adanya tu. Kota mampus.
فرغ السلاح يا كمدار فرغ السلاح يا زود فرغ السلاح كويس اثبت ثابت تمام
انتهى المراسم العسكرية وما انتهى المراسم الدم. سيد والي ولاية جونغولي ممثل رئيس الجمهورية والقائد العام لقوات دفاع شعب جنوب السودان.
Please, 12 centimeters. Get me. 12
Honorable Governor and the leaders of the state, the leaders of organized forces, Secretary General, I would like to welcome you again to this short gathering again to say something to the family, and without wasting time we need to go straight to the program, and it will be very short. We will start with the family, that is Dr. Akau. We will be able to invite Dr. Anguk, the chairman of Bor community, and then the chairman of Bor community will invite General Kim Deng. Then Akim now will be followed by the Secretary General. Then the Secretary General will invite the governor to make a statement just for a few minutes. And I think up to this point we will need to go straight. Dr. Akau can come and say something to the family and to the people who have come to support us. Thank you so much.
Thank you for our brothers and sisters who took time to come and console us. Thank you for the government of South Sudan, the government of the state, for the honor accorded to our father, Elijah Agany Aguto, Muzee General Elijah Agany Aguto has lived his life fully. He passed on Wednesday, 11th of October, at the age of 95. At that age, people do not mourn such a person has accomplished his mission on earth, and today we are to celebrate his life. So we have finished the first part of the burial and the military honor accorded to him. We're thankful for that. The rest of the program will proceed as follows. As we disperse from here, those who came from Juba will go back to Juba immediately when we finish here. And those who are here in Bor, they will converge to the house of the elder brother, one of the eldest brothers of Elijah Agany, Mayana Agany. His house is here to go and take water. And the last prayers of our father, the day will be determined and communicated later. And when it is done, it has to be done simultaneously in Bor, where the family is, and in Juba and Australia, where also a big part of his family is. So that date will be fixed and communicated later. Now, to make it short, I have to invite the leader of the Bor community, Dr. Anguk Gordon.
Your Excellency, Governor of Jonglei State, all the ministers, SG, all the general, the retired, and those who are still reserve list or active. Comrade General Majak, which are moderate for joining us. And Majak got a command, a pane, okay, man, a pane here. So you are welcome. God here goodbye, good dear. Goodbye, you're my lucky. Jela ban bor ben to go written. We are a mother there, Rinkidiangit. As he has said, General Agany has accomplished everything. But only one wish, which he has missed. In 1981, he visited Alexandria. And he was staying with me and Dr. Akim Gordon, who were together, were a student by then. And he liked the Mediterranean Sea and ocean. And one day he told us, the only thing God has deprived us is to have a lake like this, or a sea like this. And I told him, Uncle Agany, Uncle Elijah, that thing can be created. In Bor or in South Sudan, lakes are created. And he told me, are you serious? I said, I'm serious. And we wish one day you will be sitting on the lake, either in Bor or in other part of South Sudan. Because he felt that when he sits beside the Mediterranean Sea, his memories can go back to tens of years and recall a lot of things. And he was telling me, because you used to like cows, that I lost some cases. But if I have a chance now to go reopen these cases, I'll win them. Because he has given me more wisdom, more knowledge. So that is the only thing I believe Elijah has missed in his life. Elijah Agany Aguto, Kichuloi, Pinyomber Chuloi. But I have took when we school at Chilapan, Alexandria, Egypt. By it were known where it's all about beer. Go lay to Kim Nalway Young. Get to open bar Kirkin. What like a Woolundian? Bar a loy. It's a ideal where we look a bar a deep. Janay little bar, you know, bar, you I burn. To look at you when a yellow. You'll go palping. You'll go palping. Now they go palping the Takapet, the Pipping. Then Alarman. What a low chain, they go for a local. But now which other there is whooping at Yam Gate. And it's not like that. So to me, then get to Kin accomplish D-Day. Benanke, Chol Bar, Banbor, the Pari Junuk. So we're quite doing, we're quite certain, and honorable governor. Can we make this wish a reality to create a lake? Artificial lake. Artificial lake. In Bor it is possible. When I went to USA in 2007, I went to Dallas. And there was a huge lake. It was a man-made, created. So that time I felt, yes, the wish of Uncle Elijah could be achieved. I'm not throwing a burden to you, Honorable Governor, but just a wish. We believe one day, if we cannot accomplish, the next generation can create that thing, because that is the only thing missing in our environment as people of Bor, as people of Jonglei, or people of Upper Nile or South Sudan. We have lake, called Lake No, which means it's not lake, it's no lake, it's something like that. But we can create that lake. So, I have a coin, a cool, yam cool, which I can lake, we call it band with the back in the Babu witness. General Akim, Kimecha team win which a buy Chan Akarmara Yon in 2007. Where Tilger Anti, Najala Lata, Yaloga quit, Yalo to quit. What are you? So, General, you are welcome. Thank you.
Your Excellency the Governor, and General Majangagot, and all the protocol are observed. Yeah, I think the Malual. We go through what welcome. Abanayan guide with our Malual Chaat.
Biarkan the Malual Chaat ka jam.
Kabalagwe about what you do. Chan Regi and Chiban. One month I call Angelo. Lija Agany Aguto. Actually, come Kadia. Actually, one walk Tarir. Actually, by Monday, the Actually, Padi. Lunchiloya did. Do a young to go. Do a young was a think of. How are you? Dear, what you could do not be at the end of by Can one tower and a guy, near but and allow me to in the Loboni. Rabba Ben Yoki normally. Bakuba Yoki. Yang dan Iran, but what in the end about what you do. Yan and be Secretary General, I invited Chan to go at the value.
I agree to all these people. The rest of your adjutants in this state, our state, agree with all. Now, what I don't know is where I can get a mic to reach these people on all sides. I know I can't, so I'll just address you, those who are near here. This particular occasion is for someone. Okay. This occasion is for someone who is very well known in Bor area. Aguto is famous in Bor for two things. He was somebody who liked cattle so much and knew how to increase his cattle herd. He was very particular about the importance of cattle in life. And he had quite a good amount of cattle. The other thing he was interested in, he believed in the importance of a big family. And so he turned his wealth into human wealth, that is, cattle wealth into human wealth. Agany married a very large number of wives. 18 wives. I don't want to mention the number of sons and daughters because many of you who are South Sudanese know that it is bad to count people. You don't count them. But he has a good number and his sons are among you here. The thing about Agany, which is memorable, is that he loved people. When we were young, still going to school, and if Agany met one of the children of somebody he knows, he would hold your hand and say, "My son, do your education well. It is important for your life." And when he died peacefully. Many people actually didn't even know that he was he had any sickness. He died in his sleep. Is there anything better than that? Without pain, just in his sleep, he was blessed. At the church, at a service at the house of Dr. Akau, one of his sons, I said one thing, and I would like to repeat it, that the life of Agany Aguto has helped us both in the normal life and in the church to reconcile two aspects of our cultures that many people find difficult to reconcile. To have many wives and at the same time marry many, to be a Christian and have many wives was in the past unacceptable. And the church today will not have attended this event if that mentality has not changed. It is a blessing, and I'm not going to lecture about why it is a blessing for us to have reached this stage in our life. What I want to say finally here is to say, for you, Dr. Akau, and your siblings, take courage and encourage all your relatives and friends to celebrate the life of Agany Aguto. He deserves it. Thank you very much. And for now, this is your estate. Gang was your citizen. You have honored this event by attending personally. The family certainly thank you for that. And now I have the honor to request you, Mr. Governor, to come and say a word on this occasion.
Brother General, all the government officials, and all the generals who have come from Juba, and to all of you, the family, who have come to mourn the death of our father, our general, our statesman. I thank all of you for coming.
Governor, may I translate to the public?
Sure, yes, you can translate it. I thank all of you for coming. Our father that we are burying today is somebody that I've heard a little bit about him. And what I've heard about him, that he's a good man. He's somebody who loves our country, and somebody who loves our state. And he's somebody who loves our state. And he's somebody who loves Bor County, where he come from. So in the spirit that he left with us, as it has just been said, he have done everything. And the biggest thing that he have done is that he contributed to the liberation of our country. He liberated it, and then he left us to the peaceful South Sudan. The one thing that he started, but he has not finished it, is to build this nation, to build this country. So now he's seen God have taken him. If God asked him, what have you left that is not finished, he would say that building the nation of South Sudan. So in his spirit, I'm asking all of us, so that let us Let us spread love among ourselves, and because of that, that's what will allow us to build our country. And as when we build this country, this is where now we will have hospitals all across this country, and not only Juba alone. And this is the work that is needed from every one of us. Whether you are in the government, whether you're in the army, whether you're an ordinary citizen, you are required by this country to do something, even if it's spreading love among yourself. And General Elijah left all his children with us. So they will do his part even if he's gone. They will be with us in both communities. They will be with us in Jonglei State, and they will be with us in South Sudan. So thank you so much, my people that have come here. And thanks to the family. I know this is not easy. I know all of you are going to miss him. Some of you who always go in the morning and see him and talk to him, you will miss that. The good advice that he gave you about your life, you will miss all of that. But just know that God has prepared this day for him. But his good spirit, he left it with you. And he will be there with you, I believe that. So thank you so much.
Bishop David. Nom Chaloi, Bengali talking away. Lamco, Benjit Penglonda. Ya Legica Chuyin and Atie, Kudo, Tan Pia Chito on a walk. Yala Queen Pia Chino coin. Ray Chiwa Quarquada, Wada, one Mazada. Lija, Ganya Guto Benjito, too late, Yaninatie. Inchali, Rejabay. Been cool, been a take. You lay in that take door. Not on Ipio, the coach Ben Kadia, Gun White, Bagadur, now Podol, Cop do Juba, who call be doing it in it, Pila Nati Edu, Queen Bulay, Green Pias Kunia Chukurso, Benjida. Tia de Chukurso, Benjida. Benjida Beato can away.